Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to crochet these adorable flower keychains. Before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. Tell me what do you think and where are you from. Also activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my tutorials. You can support the channel by becoming a member. Choose your subscription plan to access exclusive benefits. Make a magic ring. Chain 3. The chain 3 as the first double crochet. Make 11 double crochet. To become 12 double crochet. Make a slip stitch in the third chain. For round 2, chain 3, make a double crochet in the same stitch and don't count the 3 chains as the first double crochet. Then make 2 double crochet in each stitch. In the chain 3 stitch, make 1 double crochet, skip the chain 3 and make a slip stitch under the 2 loops here. Leave a long tail and cut the yarn. This is the chain 3. Insert your hook here under the front loop. In the next stitch, I work under the front loop only, and now I'll change the color. I'm using a cotton yarn to make the stitches very clear to you, but you can use a velvet yarn, it will be very nice. Chain 3, then insert your hook here under the front loop and make 2 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch in the same stitch. Now I finished the first petal. In the next stitch, make a single crochet, chain 2 as the first double crochet. Then go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. One double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2 and a slip stitch. Single crochet, chain 2, in the next stitch make 2 double crochet, one double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch in the same stitch. Repeat the pattern until you finish the round. You will finish the round with a slip stitch and chain 1. Leave a short tail and cut the yarn. I made another piece. Put the 2 pieces together and sew them. Insert your hook in the back loop from each piece. Put them together like that and sew each 2 loops together. Leave a space opened. Put the filling. Now sew them together. You can add safety eyes if you like. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.